Hi, and thank you so much for joining the second episode of the Data Science with Dennis podcast. I'm Dennis. I'm a chief data scientist with more than 20 years of experience. I'm also a top data science voice on LinkedIn, and I'm really glad to be able to spend another podcast with you. My first episode was very well received, got some really good commentary on it, so I'm glad to continue and keep on this podcast series going. As always, my goal is to make these podcasts a single take. It's just me talking about different things in the data science world that catch my eye, different articles, different things that are happening. I do very little editing on these. This is just me talking to you about some of the things that I'm maybe keeping an eye on or things that I see developing in the world of data science. I'm very passionate about this world, so I'm happy to put these items together because it's really things that I would be doing anyways. I would be reading these articles and just kind of keeping up with news on my own. So I'm happy to share it with you as part of the podcast. So part of my goal is to pick 3 to 5 stories every week that kind of catch my eye